Guys, welcome back. Jeff Allen off the gridiron. We'll see you in the woods. Hey friends, Jeff Allen off the gridiron. Welcome back. And today I have a little unboxing for you. Today it's the Beavercraft AX3 Hatchet Ax, and haven't even opened it. Just came in the mail. There's a little label. Beavercraft hand forged hatchet axe with sheath AX3, made in Ukraine. And again, just a little unboxing. So upon opening, you can see it there, and the axe comes with kind of a paper wrapped handle, just to probably protect it, keep a little bit of the oils contained in the wood. A little bit of residue from the axe head itself. Wow, there's the Beavercraft belt loop to carry the axe. And compared to some of the other Beavercraft products I've seen, they have really stepped up their game. Riveted 4 rivets and the belt loop, and it's a considerably thicker leather. I did a review once before on the I'll provide the link, the smaller BSH5, I believe it was called, and it was the little hand knife carving, kind of a little bushcraft tool. It's in my other kit right now, but what I can tell right now is they really beefed up the leather, certainly in this piece, albeit a different product, an axe or a hatchet, but I really like that. You see it slips on there. Hand forged head, like I said, and there's the Beavercraft kind of laser engraved logo. Quite an ergonomic handle. I really like that. Little hole at the end for lanyard, piece of paracord. You can see, maybe you can see the grain of the wood. Okay, quite well centered. The axe itself is a little chalky. It almost has that right out of the forge feeling. There's the pole there, all tapered chamfered edges. At the end, you can see where they've inserted the wedge. And I really like this sheath. Look at this dome. It's kind of like a Tom Brown tracker, a Tom Brown stud, I think they're called. But very effective. And again, heavier leather than I'm accustomed to with my first Beavercraft products. So that's something that tells me they're really paying attention to the viewer, when you have some input about how some of their products were made. Very fit and finish, pretty decent. You can see they've inserted a welt between the two outside pieces of leather. And there's the contour. Very unique. Right away, what I like about it is kind of this decorative piece, how it extends down the side. You'll just have to watch. First thing I note is a bit of a sharp point. Just a little bit of a sharp edge there. So if you're doing any fine work and you're not careful, you might kind of hurt your hand on that. But that's something that time will tell if that's going to be something that bothers me. Great way to, it allows you to choke right up. Look at that curvature of the blade. And decently sharp out of the box. Very nice, very nice. I do like this cutaway here. I don't know if your hatchet would reside or rest depending on the size of the branch. You might be able to put it on the side of a branch like that. But that contour of the blade, what comes to mind for me is the shape of an ulu. And if that blade, if that edge in that axe is nice and sharp, you could really do some finer carving tasks, butchering tasks, much like the the people used to use the ulu for. So out of the box, fit and finish, the grip, very maneuverable. I like the fit. The handle comes through the top, a little proud, this is fine by me. It feels really good to choke up, but I am noticing, I think I'm going to have to, I don't know if you can see that edge. They're quite sharp off the back edge there. Something that you'd probably hit with a little bit of a file. And after working with it a little bit, touching it with oil, I'm sure that kind of a powdery, almost like a blacksmithing coating. And they've always had that with their axes, that very coated, ready to forge appeal for their products. So this has just been a quick unboxing. I'm going to put it to use and give it a quick go over out in the backwoods here. But great balance. You can see there, narrow at look at that profile. Pretty neat, pretty neat. But I think that's something that's going to find its way into my kit for sure. Anyways, I just want to bring that quick unboxing. Thank you for Beavercraft for forwarding this to me. This is going to be something that's definitely cherished in my kit once I get back out in the woods. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your outdoors. Bye for now.